In this video, I'm going to show you how I clean my makeup brushes using this makeup brush cleaner, but you don't need to have a makeup brush cleaner. If you don't have one, it's all okay. So let's get My name is Adelie, and in this channel we're going to be talking about beauty, fashion, and I'll be vlogging my life. But right now in this video I'm going to show you how to clean the brushes. Alrighty, so all you need is soap. I use this Dawn. Oil. You don't have to use avocado oil, but that's what I had. Avocado, coconut oil, olive oil, baby oil. You are also going to need some water. Alrighty, so I have my setup over here. I have my dirty brushes, my makeup cleaner, I have my oil, and I have my water that I'm going to be adding the soap into in just a second. And also I have plenty of towels. Brushes you use for liquids as in foundations, concealers, creams. Those you have to clean them with oil first to break down the makeup. And then the ones that you use the powder with, all you need is soap. So I like to dip the brush in the oil, and then with the e.l.f. brush cleaner I do circular motions. Now if you don't have the brush cleaner, you can just do circular motions, like dip it and then maybe like in another container just do circular motions and just like massage it so it could just get like really deep inside the brush. And if you have the cleaning pad, you can just do circular motions as so. So both work. If you don't have one, it's okay, use the other method. And I'm going to be doing that for all my brushes now. And I'm also going to do that to all of the brushes. I like to do one step at a time. So first I'm going to grab all my brushes that I need to clean with oil, and then I'm going to go ahead and wash all of them. So I'm just going to continue doing so. Like I said, with your finger it works as well. So this part does get a little bit messy, but then again, makeup is messy. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my brush and dunk it into the water and into the cleaning mat. And then you dunk it in lukewarm water. And that's what I did. And notice I keep my brush upside down, like don't hold it right side up, because the water can get to the glue and that's not good for your bristles. They would fall apart. Alrighty, so finally finished cleaning my brushes with the olive oil or avocado oil. So now I'm just gonna wash my powder brushes with this lukewarm water. I'm gonna add some soap, and then I have some clean lukewarm water to rinse it out. So here I go. So we're gonna add some soap, and honestly we don't need too much because this is pretty powerful soap. Oh, there's bubbles. Okay, so we're gonna add it in there, and if you don't have a brush cleaner you can just do circles in there, but if you do, grab it and then do circular motions. And then add it to the clean water as so. And if you do that, if you need to do it multiple times, then just do it. And that, my dear, is how you do it. So clean brush. So if you don't have a cleaning pad, I just grab like a very small amount of soap and put it in my fingers, and I'm just doing circular motions, having a dance party. And I'm gonna dunk it in the water. You can also massage it. Okay. Alright, so after one final rinse and clean lukewarm water, here are my brushes, and like I said, upside down, and let them dry. Alright, so you just keep on doing the same thing over and over with the rest of your brushes, and voila, you got some clean brushes. So I do have one question: how often do you clean your makeup brushes? Tell me in the comments below. Alrighty guys, this concludes today's video. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more about beauty, more about fashion, and blogging about my life. Thank you so very much for watching, and that is it. Goodbye.